Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add and invite Discord users on your PC guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. First open up Discord. You just need to select the server you want to add it guys and select the server name and click on invite people and click on this copy this URL. Grab the link and send to friends that you want to add guys. Click on this edit invite link. Your invite link expires in 7 days. Click on edit invite link. You can choose never expire this link guys. Expire after, select this drop down and select never. And max number of users, you can select the certain user you want to select it and click on generate new link, and the new link has been generated guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.